Hello and welcome to this lecture on the order by clause. The order by clause is used to sort records returned by the T-SQL query. It's usually placed last in a T-SQL query. So with the order by, you can sort the data returned by the T-SQL query. I have got my SQL Server Management Studio open and I've got a sample T-SQL query here where I have used an order by to sort out the returned records from a query. So the main query here is from line 4 to 6. The go here doesn't really count as a query. If you notice, you see the sign here where it ends there, it tells you that's the main query. It starts there and ends there. So on line 4, I've specified the columns, 3 columns, first name, middle name, last name. Line 5, we specified the schema and also the table. Line 6 is where the sorting takes place. So we've placed the order by. Notice it comes last in the query. So order by first name. So we're ordering the returned result by the first name. I'll remove that. Just we can use this later. Okay. So what at this point we have not specified ascending. If we want the records to be sorted in ascending or descending. Ascending is the default, which means it sorts the records in alphabetical from A to Z. If you look at the record, if I look at the first name, you can see it's going from A to Z. And if you're sorting in descending, it's the reverse, which is from Z to A. So let me run this and you can see the result. So this is the output. It has sorted this returned record by the first name in ascending order. Even though we've not specified that, that is the default. In this lecture, we learned how to use the order by clause to sort records returned by a T-SQL query. We also learned how to place the order by clause. It's usually placed at the very last of the T-SQL query.